Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into configuring zones and interfaces in Palo Alto firewalls. It's a crucial part of setting up your network security. But before we jump into the configuration, let's take a moment to understand what zones are and why they matter. Zones in Palo Alto are fundamental to its security architecture. They help you segment your network traffic based on different criteria, like trust levels, security requirements, and organizational policies. Each zone can represent a specific segment of your network, such as internal, DMZ, or external. By defining zones, you can apply specific security policies to control traffic flow between them. For example, you might allow traffic from the internal zone to the DMZ, but block traffic from the external zone to your internal resources. This is key for maintaining a secure network environment. Let's start by configuring zones, then go on to interfaces. First, log into the Palo Alto web interface using your management IP address and admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Network tab at the top. On the left sidebar, click on Zones. To create a new zone, click the Add button. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your zone. Here I am creating zone with name inside for internal network. You may use any name. Select the zone type. Typically, you'll choose Layer 3 for routed traffic, but you may choose different type as per your requirements. Here, I am not selecting any interface for this zone because I will add zones on interfaces during interface configuration, but you can add interfaces to zones from here as well. When you're done, click OK to save. So we have created inside zone for internal network. Let's create another zone named Internet for external network. Next, let's configure the interfaces. Click on Interfaces in the left sidebar under the Network section. Select the interface you want to configure, such as Ethernet 1/1, and click Edit. Select the interface type as Layer 3. We will discuss different types of interfaces in details in next chapter. Now in Config tab, select the default virtual router and assign this interface to the trust zone you just created. In the IPv4 section, select Static as the type and enter your desired IP address and subnet mask, like 192.168 on 24th. You can also use DHCP to assign interface IP address if required. Once you've completed the configuration, click OK to save your changes. Let's configure the another interface for Internet zone in same way. Don't forget to commit your changes by clicking the Commit button in the upper right corner to apply the configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a zone and an interface on your Palo Alto firewall. In the next chapter, we will discuss about zone protection profile, virtual router, management profile, and Palo Alto interface types in details.